Hello my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, where today we will be making a delectable malaikulfi. It is a traditional Indian ice cream that is a favorite among the families. Preparing this dish takes some time and requires attention while the milk is simmered, but the results are worth the effort. This dessert is an ideal summer treat and my method is an easy and quick way to make kulfi. Let's not waste any further time and get straight into it. To make this delicious malaikulfi, you will require 100 grams of mixed nuts, 1 liter of full-fat milk, 100 ml of Milkmaid, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, sugar according to your taste, pinch of saffron, and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Coarse grind the mixed nuts, do not grind it into a fine powder. Once done, pour it into a bowl and keep separately. Use a pot or a pan to heat up 1 liter of full-fat milk. Use a big and sturdy pan or kadai so that the milk does not spill over or burn. On a low flame, bring the milk to a boil. Keep stirring when the milk gets heated up, so that it does not get burnt from the bottom. Bring the milk to a boil. Stir and add the milk made slowly. Keep stirring and mix it well. Continue to boil milk on low flame and add in the coarse grind nuts and stir to mix it well. In a separate bowl, mix water with 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix it into a thin liquid mixture and add it into the milk. Slowly the milk starts to thicken. Keep stirring and add in the sugar and stir. Then add in the saffron and cardamom powder and mix it well. Also keep on scraping the dried milk solids from the sides and add them back to the milk. At this point, use a whisk to break down all the lumps that might have stuck together. Keep stirring until it turns into a fine creamy paste. Now you can use molds or small clay or plastic matkas to fill in the creamy mixture. Once the filling is completed, sprinkle few chopped nuts on the top. Cover tightly with lids or aluminium foil. Freeze malai kulfi for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. After the kulfi is frozen, remove it from the freezer. Malai kulfi made from the scratch has a unique taste and texture. Enjoy! This creamy matka malai kulfi as a sweet treat after you complete your main meal. Thank you for watching my channel. I thoroughly enjoyed presenting this episode. I trust that you had an enlightening and enjoyable experience and that it has sparked a creativity in you to explore diverse flavors and methods in your culinary pursuits. Kindly remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons on my channel. I will return shortly for another installment of delicious delights. Until we meet again, bye for now.